everyone, my name is Belgin and today I really want to talk with you about music. Have you ever wondered why some people love rock music while others enjoy classical tunes? Why do we have favorite songs and why do they sometimes make us feel different ways? When we listen music, different parts of our brain join the fun. Today we will talk about the two special parts, feeling good and emotion areas. Did you know that you pick music based on how it makes us feel? Some songs makes us feel calm and relaxed, like floating on a cloud. Others makes us feel happy and excited, like dancing in the rain. The first time that we hear a song can make a big difference. Right now, my favorite song is Katy Perry Roar and it makes me super cozy. The first time that we hear a song can make a big difference. When we are sad, we might like sad songs to feel better. But when we are happy, we might listen happy songs to feel even happier. Did you know that our music taste change depends on the time, where we live, and even how old we are? At night, we might want a song that makes us sleep and relax. But during the day, we might listen to a song that makes us play and jump. Some studies say that our music taste can tell us about our personalities. For example, if you like music with lots of energy, you might be a super outgoing person. But if you like quieter music, you might love spending time alone, and that's cool too. So, what have you learned today? Music is like a magic potion that makes us feel all sorts of feelings. Like everyone can have their favorite color, everyone can have their favorite tunes. Isn't that awesome?